And time now for our community update this morning. Joining us in studio is Green Bay Police Chief Chris Davis. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it this morning.
Happy to be here.
Now, there was a lot of planning on the police department's job side and other agencies for Donald Trump's visit. How'd it go?
Well, Tuesday was a big day, but it went really well. And, you know, the planning paid off. I think the weather helped kind of dampen things a little bit, but we got through it with no problems.
What extra planning went into it?
Well, there's a lot of staffing that we have to provide for those kind of events, and then we work very closely with the Secret Service and other agencies on keeping those events safe. And then there's always a traffic impact that you have to think about, and then keeping space at political events for First Amendment exercise and all that. But all came together and went pretty well.
It was also the spring election that same day. How did it go for your department, and what did you have to do for that?
So we work a lot with our city clerk's office on planning for safety for elections, not only at polling places, but also at central count. We do tabletop exercises, and we do a lot of work in the background just to make sure voters don't even notice and they're able to vote with no issues.
Look ahead to the November election. It could be more contentious, as we all know.
Okay.
What are the department's plans for election that day? Anything different, or?
It'll really just be a continuation of what we've been doing for the last several elections. This primary election we just had this week was a good chance for us to test drive some of our planning for November. Obviously, we won't get into all the details of that, but we will be ready and we'll have a plan. And again, the goal is just to keep it boring, and that's what success looks like for us.
So the history of Drug Take Back Day, which is coming up, what's the history of it?
So Drug Take Back Days started as a way to try to combat the problem of illegal drugs, or prescription drugs, I should say, getting into the wrong hands, especially pain pills. And it's an opportunity for people, if you have any kind of prescription medication that you want to dispose of, we can do it safely. It's much better than throwing it out in the trash or flushing it into the sewer system, because we'll ensure that it gets to a place where it can actually be disposed of right, and it can keep things, addictive substances like pain pills, out of the hands of people who shouldn't have them.
So what do you accept and what don't you accept?
We'll accept any kind of prescription medication. What we would not like to see is any kind of illegal drugs, anything that's contaminated with any kind of biological contamination, anything like that. And if at all possible, if it can be in some kind of packaging, we don't just take big piles of loose stuff so it can be identified. But just make sure it's something that came in a prescription, and we'll take it.
But no needles also?
Also no needles, okay. Right.
And why is it so important to have it, and where and when?
Well, again, it's important just to keep those potentially addictive substances out of the pipeline. This next one is happening on April 27th, and there's a few locations. There's Aurora Bay Care over on Greenbrier, Bellin Health just right over here on Webster, and then St. Mary's Hospital on Shawano. If you can't make it to that one, we have a prescription drug drop box in the lobby of the Green Bay Police Department. You're welcome to use anytime we're open.
Okay, you brought a prop today. Tell us about it.
I did. This is a new gun violence prevention program that we're working on. These are some mats that we're distributing to gun retailers, and they're able to use these. You know, at a gun retailer, a lot of times when someone looks at a handgun, they'll put it on one of these rubber mats so it doesn't get damaged. And it just has a reminder on here of the penalties for purchasing firearms for people who are prohibited from possessing them, usually because they're a convicted felon. It's a pretty serious offense. You can get 15 years in prison and up to a $25,000 fine for knowingly providing a firearm to a prohibited possessor. So this is just a good reminder, and all of our gun retailers locally have been really enthusiastic about this, and so you'll see these showing up around town starting now.
Why do you think it'll work?
It's just another way of trying to remind people of the potential consequences. You know, if you're going into a gun store to buy a gun for somebody you know can't buy one on their own, and you see this, it's just that one more little reminder to help you make a better decision.
I think 15 years would be a good deterrent.
I would think so, yes.
Thanks for joining us.
You bet.